Imagine a bright, hot, sunny day in the town of Multan in present-day Pakistan. And outside that town, there is Guru Nanak Dev Ji sitting under the shade of a tree with his trusted companion Bhai Mardana Ji. And they start to sing Kirtan. Now, the town of Multan is a town with a lot of wise spiritual people. And when the wise spiritual people hear that there is another spiritual teacher come to their town, they send a message to Guru Nanak Dev Ji. So along comes a messenger, and without saying anything, he brings a bowl of milk, completely full to the top. Guru Nanak Dev Ji looks at this bowl of milk and he reaches into his pocket. And out of his pocket, he pulls a white jasmine flower and he places it just on top of the milk and sends the messenger away. Bhai Mardana Ji is perplexed. He says, "Oh wise Guruji, what is the meaning of this mystery?" Guru Nanak Dev Ji replies, "The message that came from the wise people of this town was that this town is full. We don't need any more spiritual wisdom. We have enough spiritual masters." And my response, Guru Nanak Dev Ji says, was that I'm not here to take anything away. Just as the flower floats on the milk and adds fragrance, I'm here to add fragrance to your life.